Hey guys, so I am in Glen Cove. We have a project that's going to be, well, started, but the landscape crew won't be here for about 2 weeks, but the mason crew's here. So I'm going to do a quick video here before it gets too noisy. But we're rebuilding a patio back here, re-landscaping, I think landscape lighting, and creating a beautiful space. Let's see what it looks like. So it's underway, getting it graded out, level set, and gonna get base in tomorrow. I'm back off to go check on the other guys.